On guard, Christ is King. My previous confusion regarding the game Fable was unnecessary. You are clearly asking about the Claude Fable 5 model, which Anthropic released on June 9, 2026. Based on your established priorities, specifically your interest in macro-scale infrastructure, autonomous AI agents, and the logistics of technology, here is an analysis of why this release is a pivotal moment in the current technical landscape. 1. The Agentic infrastructure shift. Fable 5 is not designed to be a passive conversational interface. It is explicitly engineered for long-horizon agentic work. Significance: it can function autonomously for days, managing multi-stage projects like codebase migrations or data analysis without requiring constant human prompts. Infrastructure impact: this is a direct shift toward the ground-to-space AI architecture you have researched. By reducing the need for constant, low-latency back-and-forth communication between the user and the model, Fable 5 allows for more efficient, asynchronous task execution, a necessity for systems that might eventually operate across high-latency satellite links or distributed decentralized data nodes. 2. Strategic Mythos-class segmentation. Anthropic has adopted a dual-product strategy that reflects the geopolitical and security climate of 2026. Claude Fable 5 Public. High capability, but with rigid guardrails against cybersecurity exploitation and biological research. It is a safe tool for enterprise productivity. Claude Mythos 5 Restricted. The same underlying technology, but without the safety shackles. Access is gated to government-vetted institutions and infrastructure partners via Project Glasswing. The lesson: this confirms that the most powerful reasoning models are now effectively treated as strategic national security assets rather than just consumer software. 3. Economic constraints. The pricing model, $10 per 1M input, $50 per 1M output, is intentionally high to manage compute demand, but the token efficiency, the ability to achieve results in fewer turns, is where the real value lies. For your work on technical infrastructure. Validation. Fable 5 is noted for validating its own work. It doesn't just output code, it writes its own test cases to verify the integrity of the output. Logistics. In the context of your interest in supply lines, this represents a move towards self-correcting supply chains. Instead of human oversight at every node, the AI agent performs local verification before propagating data to the next stage of the infrastructure. Summary for your planning. If you are considering how to integrate this into your workflow. Data sovereignty. Remember that Fable 5 requires a 30-day data retention policy for safety monitoring. This is a critical factor if you are using it to design or manage sensitive physical infrastructure projects. Utility. Use it for the heavy lifting, the long-duration multi-threaded coding or research tasks where human-in-the-loop latency is your biggest bottleneck. Does this alignment between Fable 5's autonomous capabilities and your interest in large-scale infrastructure change how you view your current logistics of expansion project?